She is calling the emergency services. She is calling the emergency services. She has reported the accident immediately. She has reported the accident immediately. She is helping the injured passenger. She is helping the injured passenger. She has evacuated the building safely. She has evacuated the building safely. She is applying first aid carefully. She is applying first aid carefully. She has contacted the rescue team. She has contacted the rescue team. She is checking the emergency exits. She is checking the emergency exits. She has alerted the nearby residents. She has alerted the nearby residents. She is carrying the medical supplies. She is carrying the medical supplies. She has extinguished the small fire. She has extinguished the small fire. She is securing the hazardous area. She is securing the hazardous area. She has transported the patient quickly. She has transported the patient quickly. She is following the evacuation protocol. She is following the evacuation protocol. She has stabilized the injured person. She has stabilized the injured person. She is communicating with the dispatcher. She is communicating with the dispatcher. She has prevented further damage. She has prevented further damage. She is operating the emergency equipment. She is operating the emergency equipment. She has rescued the trapped child. She has rescued the trapped child. She is monitoring the patient closely. She is monitoring the patient closely. She has coordinated the evacuation. She has coordinated the evacuation. She is guiding people toward safety. She is guiding people toward safety. She has inspected the damaged vehicle. She has inspected the damaged vehicle. She is requesting immediate assistance. She is requesting immediate assistance. She has reassured the frightened family. She has reassured the frightened family. She is responding to the emergency rapidly. She is responding to the emergency rapidly.